Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Container Stacker by Happier. Looking at Happier's code, we can see set active blocks, start physics blocks, and set gravity blocks too. Stack as many containers as you can to reach a high score. Next we have Ghost Mania by Inigo Montoya. Checking out their code, we see glide blocks, next costume blocks, and forever blocks too. Hunt for the ghosts and rack up a high score. And here we have Hot Air Balloon by Zuba. Looking at Zuba's code, we can see broadcast blocks, repeat until blocks, and close startup blocks as well. Keep your hot air balloon afloat by using the clouds. Lastly, we have Connect 4 by Codagirl. This user created a text-based Connect 4 game. First to 4 in a row wins. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.